Very well. So for homework 3.3, we have question 13. Question 13 says you have two dice and you're rolling two dice. What is the probability? What is the probability that the sum of the numbers is equal to 5? So sum is 5. Remember that when we have probability of an event, it is equal to, you have to form a fraction. On the numerator, you have the cardinality of your event, the cardinality of having sum equals to 5. Sum is 5 divided by the cardinality of your sample space. It means that you have to count all of the possibilities, all of the outcomes, all of the results, list them one by one. So the cardinality of all possible events or outcomes. So let's write outcomes. It's easier. Outcomes. Okay, there you go. So you're actually rolling two dice. So remember that for the sample space, we have 36 different possibilities. The first possibility, you have 1 on the first dice, the second dice also 1. So 1, 1. Then you have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6. So it means that your first number on the first dice is 1, and on the second one, it is changing actually. You get 1 or 2 or 3 and so on. So what if the second, and you look at the dices for the second one, the first number is actually 2, the second number 1, 2, 3, 4, it keeps changing. 2 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 6. Well, if your first number is starting with 3, so 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3 and 5, and 3 and 6. But if the number for the first dice is 1, you have these possibilities. If it's 2, you have these possibilities. If it's 3, you have these possibilities. So now it's time that we have 4. So the first number is 4, the second number is 1, the first number is 4, the second number is 2, 4 and 3, 4 and 4, 4 and 5, and 4 and 6. Okay? Very well. Now you have 5. 5 and 1, 5 and 2, 5 and 3, 5 and 4, 5 and 5, and 5 and 6. What if we start with 6? Okay, my first number is 6, my second number is 1. My first number is 6, my second number is 2. So these are all possibilities, all outcomes. The first number is 6, the second number is 3. The first number is 6, the second number is 4. 5. And finally, 6 and 6. How many possibilities? On the denominator, you get 36 outcomes or 36 possibilities. Now on the numerator, it says, what's the possibility that the sum is 5? So the sum of these numbers is 5. So what are those numbers? 1 and 4, of course. 2 and 3, it can be 5. Then you have 3 and 2, of course. Then let's look for these 4 and 1. Very well. What else do you have here? Then all of these numbers are starting with 5. So 5 plus any other number is greater than 5. So then you have on these two rows, all numbers starting with 6 greater than 5. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 divided by 36. 1 over 9. This is the probability that you're actually rolling two dice and you get numbers that their sum is actually equal to 5. 1 over 9.